It's glad to have you back again on my channel. Today I want to show you a very simple business model you can start with just your smartphone. If you own a smartphone and you're looking for means to monetize it, let me just show you this simple means you can use to make money just from the comfort of your home. Now I just titled it how to make money by just selling data and airtime. That's how you can become an airtime vendor, a data vendor online. Okay, you sell data to people and you make money. Now, this is one simple business model that has a very high potential of making you profit. That you can make money from it because every day that passes, people buy data, people buy airtime, and there's always a guarantee that you make sales, possibly online. Yes, you make sales possibly online. So I'm going to show you where you can get access to this data at a very cheaper rate. That is only the benefit of this video. Yes, I'm going to show you how you can get it at a cheaper rate and you can sell it at the actual price. Like maybe for instance, MTN are selling 1 gig for 300 naira. If you're Nigerian, MTN are selling 1 gig for 300 naira. So I'm going to show where you can get this thing perhaps 200 and maybe 15 naira or 20 naira or so, and you can decide to sell it at the actual price, or you can decide to sell it even lower so that you can get customers. Okay, so I'm just going to show you everything you need to know and how you can get started with this business. Probably with maybe 10,000 naira you can go ahead to start this business. And let me just say this quickly before I forget. You should understand that selling data both in the physical, where you sell it in physical, in the paper, or yes, in paper, the profit margin is not that much. So don't expect to make much from this business. It's just a passive income idea. Yes, it's a passive income idea. So you should not expect to make much from it. You can have other source of income, but just use this one as a passive means to make money. Okay, so because sometimes you don't make much money from each of the sales, maybe you can make perhaps 15 naira per sales, you can make perhaps 10 naira per sale. So it all depends. Okay, so understand this, get this at the back of your mind. This system of business might not make you rich. Let me be true here. It might not make you rich, but it can add to your earnings a monthly or weekly or daily. So just get this straight. Now I want to show you all the basic steps you need on how you can get started. Now, first thing I would tell you is for you to design your flyer. Yes, design a marketing flyer. Since you are selling online, you will definitely need to design a marketing flyer. And there are several free tools you can actually use. For instance, you can use Canva. Yes, but I'm not going to do a review on that. I'm not going to do a review on that. Or you can use another free application also, like a Pixel Lab. Yes, Pixel Lab is basically used for graphic designing. You can use it to design graphics. Okay, so if peradventure you want to design it by yourself, and you don't have any idea on how to design a marketing flyer to sell data and airtime, you can just come to Chrome. This is my Chrome browser here. I type let's say flyer for, sorry for that, flyer for data. Okay, let's say data sales. Let's say idea, so that we'll be specific with what we want. So then we wait for Google to give us the all right. So if you watch here, you can see several flyers here. Let's open the full one so that you see what I'm talking about. All right, now if you watch here, you can see different ones. So you can just choose to download any one, use this template, and you create your own. It's very simple. Or if you cannot create, outsource a graphic designer. Let's end it there, please. So if you cannot create, outsource a graphic designer. Now I want to show you the site where you can get access to this data and airtime at a very cheaper rate. So I'm going to use a website that is called Smart SMS Solution. Smart SMS Solution, no spacing. smartsmssolution.com. If you watch there, or peradventure I'll drop the link on the description. You can just go there, click the link, and you get ahead. You create your account. All right, so Smart SMS Solution, that's the website. So you tap on it. When you type it, you send. Okay, now before we talk about creating an account, let me say this very clearly. It's very important you know this, that before you can create an account on this platform, make sure the email and the phone number you are going to use to create the account, make sure you have access to them, because both the email and the phone number, you will be sent an OTP, a one-time password. You'll be sent an OTP, and you need to type in that OTP in the space that will be made available for you before your account can be activated. So if you cannot have access to that OTP, definitely you cannot create an account. So have this at the back of your mind: the number and the phone number you're going to use and the email address you're going to use. Make sure you have access to them. Now it says get your messages delivered. Now, very important, this site, you can use it to do several things, but I'm not going to talk on those ones. I want to talk specifically on how you can use it to get access to cheap data and airtime you can resell and make money for yourself. Okay, so I'm going to sign up now. I'm not signing up, I'm logging in because I've already created my account. So I'm going to sign up now. I'm going to log in actually, sorry. Let me just tap on create an account. Automatically it will lead me to my dashboard because I've already signed up. Okay, so this is my dashboard here. All right, so you just scroll through like this. Now if you watch my account here, I have 393 naira. That shows I've already funded my account. I use this platform to buy data for myself also, so it's legit. Don't be afraid that if I put my card details here, they will hack into my account. This is not my first time using this site to buy data. I've been using it. So there are several things, like I said earlier, you can do with this. Like if you watch here, say electricity, but we are not going to talk on that. Okay. Now, the first thing you need to do the moment you have created your account and you want to start selling data, you need to fund your account. Yes, you need to fund your account. And you can fund your account in two ways. So I'm going to explain one, which is the most let's say confidential one, or the most reliable one. So you tap on this three dot here by your right hand side, your left hand side of your screen. If you watch here, you watch this my cursor here. Should I call it cursor or pointer? Okay, you watch my pointer here showing by the left hand side of your screen. Tap on it. It will bring out a menu like this, right? It will bring out a menu like this. Now look to where it says my wallet. My wallet, you tap on it, you will bring out a menu also. Like you tap on fund wallet. Tap on fund wallet. Right. Now, how much would you like to add? Like I told you, there are two major ways you can use to fund your wallet. Fund wallet with bank transfer, fund wallet with your debit card. So I prefer using debit card because it's much easier and straightforward. Okay, so let's, for instance, say we want to fund our wallet with 1,000 naira, right? 1,000 naira for instance. But if you really want to profit from this kind of business, try starting with at least maybe 5,000, 10,000. Okay, then tap on continue. Right now, if you watch here, it says proceed, amount 1,000, charges 0, total 0. Now if you tap on proceed to Flutterwave to complete this transaction, it will take you to the official page of Flutterwave. Flutterwave, if you don't know what Flutterwave is, Flutterwave is a payment platform. You can use it to make payment online. So if you tap on proceed to Flutterwave, it will lead you to Flutterwave official website, where you can be able to put your card details, and easily the transaction is done and everything. You fund your account. So I'm not going to proceed. So if you want to proceed, just tap on it. It will lead you to Flutterwave. Okay, so it's very easy to fund your account. So that is how to fund account. Now the next thing I want to show you here now is how you can get access to this data, where you can sell them back and make money for yourself. Now if say airtime, get an instant 2% discount on all your airtime. So let's say for instance MTN, tap on MTN. But what I really advise, don't focus on selling airtime online. Focus on data. Yes, because people will always want to buy data. So focus on data is very important. So I think we should just leave this. Or if eventually you want to go ahead, you can go ahead selling airtime. But the procedure you use in selling airtime and the procedure you use in selling data are still the same. So let's go ahead and talk on how to sell data rather than airtime, so that we don't waste our time here. All right, so now let's go say buy data bundles. Get an instant 2% discount on all your instant data purchase. Okay, let's say for instance we want to talk on MTN data. You tap on MTN. Now if somebody want to buy data on MTN, all right, so phone number, you add the phone number. Let's say, let me add a phone number. So let's say 081 60 40 52 43. All right, so if you're a Nigerian, that's a Nigerian number, 081 60 40 52 43. Right. Okay, now it will bring you to another interface like this. Now say select a package. So you tap on this arrow here to bring down several options. All right, so now here you will see uh, different options that you can choose. Different options that you can choose. Okay, so now for instance, like I said here, if you watch here, 1 gig is sold for 225 naira, but MTN are actually selling it for 300 naira. I've checked it, I've confirmed it is so. 2 gig here is sold for, I've forgotten how much, but here it's being sold for 250. Okay, now for instance, 3 gig is sold for 675 naira, but it's sold on MTN maybe around that, maybe 700, 800, or 1000 itself for 3 gig. And it is 3 month, sorry, it is a 1 month plan, not just a daily plan or weekly plan. It is monthly plan. So you can come here. If someone wants to buy from you, you tell the person you are selling at the actual price, right? And when the person pays you first before you can send, we cannot trust anybody today in Nigeria again. That is just the truth. Except you are very confident that the person will send you your money when you send the person the data before you can go ahead and send. But if the person refuse to send the money first, please, I will advise you don't sell your data to that person, because trust issues everywhere and we find it hard these days to trust people with anything. Okay, and you also yourself, if someone pays you to sell him or her a data, make sure you deliver as promised. That's the only way you can build your brand and you keep people coming back to buy from you. If eventually you decide to scam somebody today, somebody send you money and you refuse to send the person data, you might go scot-free, you might escape the legal action, but you will never sell to that person again. You have lost one customer with that. All right, so be clever and be honest, be open in your business, and you are sure of growing. Okay, so you can just go through. If eventually person want to buy 1 gig, you can come here, you check the price, you select an option. After you have put the person number, you tap on continue. Tap on continue. All right, now say buy airtime. Okay, buy MTN internet data smart SMS solution. Okay, now kindly find the details of the receiving phone number. Now you verify the phone number if it is so. If you are done, you tap on proceed. The moment you tap on proceed, the money will be deducted from your account here and the data will be sent to the phone number you put here. So that is how to buy data, and that is how to get access to cheap data and resell them and make profit for yourself. Like I said, this is just a passive income idea. You should not rely mostly on this business because the profit margin here is not much. It's really not much. Okay, so that will be all for this video. Now if you have not subscribed to my channel, just go ahead now, hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we drop new videos. We promise to be dropping new videos mostly weekly for your own nourishment. All right, so just hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. See you in the subsequent videos. Bye for now.